So how do you run a title search on a co-op property? This is Dave at titlesearch.com. A co-op property is an ownership format dramatically different from a typical piece of real estate, so the title search process is also very different. The way that a co-op works is instead of owning an actual piece of real estate, you own shares in a corporation, which in turn owns the real estate. For example, if there's a 100-unit apartment building and you buy, let's say, an apartment or a unit in that building, really what you're doing is you're buying shares in the company that owns the whole building with the rights to reside in that unit. You're not actually owning that particular unit. You're renting it, but your rent is paid for by owning the shares. So how do you run a search on that? The property itself in the title records will be owned by a corporation. It won't be owned by individual people. It will be owned by an LLC or a corporation. So that's what's going to show on title. How do you determine who owns each individual unit? You may find that there are references to the unit owners in the title records. You may also find that the units themselves are secured by a UCC filing. That's Universal Commercial Code, which is a way of showing ownership claims and lending on non-real estate assets. For example, if you're going to have a loan on fixtures in a business that's not part of the real estate, that's done on a UCC filing. So that function is also used to show ownership of a co-op unit. So there's ways to determine ownership and to determine if there are liens or claims against a unit, but a non-traditional title search process needs to be used. If you have questions about running a non-traditional title search on a co-op or other types of non-traditional searches, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.